name's Jane. I'm an artist and I'm going to show you how to draw a deer buck. This is the top of his head. And then it's coming down like so, flared out. Draw these circles here for the eyes. Actually, they're going to have peaks on the side. So it's like a leaf shape. Then draw these diagonal lines there. And they connect on either side of the nose. This is the nose. It's like an upside down triangle. Nostrils here. And this is the snout. The neck is coming down like this. Ears are going out. The eyes are usually very dark, so we're just going to fill them in. And here's the chest. Going to draw some white fur there. Well, I'm not going to color it in white, but you can do that. And then we're going to draw the antlers. So they're just curved lines, and they go like that. And that is how you draw a deer buck.